sky, flew above the sea while storms went high. The wind then tossed them on rocky ground, and there he stayed with wings torn down. She flew away, she left him crying to wait alone for his last dawn, dying with just enough of his fading might. He spoke to the sea through the silent night. Tell her, oh sea, I still adore. I blame my fate, but her no more. Is this how love must end? I grieve that I should die and she should live. He didn't wish to wait for dawn. He didn't wish to see the sun. From the high cliffs the seagull fell into the blue where his true love dwells. Yet life goes on, the tides still play. A newborn morning greets the bay. Only the truth forever stays, that birds love too in human ways. Tell her, oh sea, I still